Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography in Carpathian Grey. This is next due for a service in January 2022 and has previously had 2 owners. You have 22-inch alloys, an electrically deployable tow bar, powered tailgate, plenty of space there for all your personal items such as bikes, golf clubs or pushchairs. Can shut the boot there or on your key again. And continuing around the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is near me. Autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous tan interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great on a nice sunny day or just if you want to add a bit more air into the car. You also have a windshield there and a sunblind which can be controlled electrically too. A fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter only has access to your climate control. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Heated and cooled front seats, and they are also massage, which is really nice to have. Several different driving modes including grass, gravel and snow, sand, mud ruts and eco. Controls on your wheel including a speed limiter and cruise control. Blind spot monitor, making it easier to drive along the motorway and it's also safer. A heated steering wheel. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. And a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. Head-up display, which ensures you keep your eyes on the road. And you can also change the positioning or the content that you want to see in front of you. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Autobiography, which is a 4.4 V8 diesel. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.